Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix when your JLab Go AirPop are not pairing and what you can do about it. So to fix this issue, what I recommend to do is to perform a factory reset. So take them out and put them back in, and you want to hear the click. And when you're going to hear the click on both, what you want to do now is that you want to press 7 times the right earbud and then press 7 times the left earbud. And that's the whole process. So what you want to do is you just want to do a factory reset. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And now let's go for another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is how you are going to do a factory reset for both of them. So if you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. Now you can just take them out and try to pair, and you will see if it's going to work out. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.